Oh my God.
Oh my God.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Yeah, they don't block it. No good.
Well, why are you bringing it here? I don't want broken wood splitter.
Yeah.
No. Why do I want that? My God.
No good.
Yeah, you know good.
I today. Hey.
Oh.
Broke it up.
Oh, you broke your hand on the...
Here, broke it. I need a...
Oh, that looks...
okay 的 no too much 就是
Oh, just a little zzz, that's it?
I left. I know.
How much money?
No. He one day, he 4 hour. 4 hour 75.
This one free? This one yours?
This is Sadia.
Wood split?
Sadia here. He one day 110. 4 hour 75.
You rented it?
Yeah, here.
And broke it?
That's my that's one. Put there.
So take it back and tell him there's shits. Look at the fucking guy. He's trying to cut wood sideways. What is wrong with you?
I cut it here. He come back. He no come back. He there's small put it here. No come back.
Yeah. This is a rental machine. Just take it back and have him give you another one.
Hey,
broken.
Another one left. 4 hour left. Come 4 times.
Oh yeah, but
4 times.
like I gotta drag the welder out and clean all that bullshit up and fucking weld it. And I'm just like, me okay? Like, what are you even talking about?
Hey.
Man, I need a shop that I can just go to.
I cheaper 的会有1磅固定到了。等我弄头，等弄头 ，come here，两种泵。
Oh my God.
Hey, my machine for you. No, 10,000. You don't need 10,000. Put it here. Maybe working 1 month. 1 month sold. You need the money. 20,000.
Oh yeah, for sure. Absolutely.
One month.
So I'm gonna buy your machine for 10,000, use it for a month, and then sell it for 20,000. Why don't you just sell it for 20,000?
20,000?
Why are you trying to trick me?
That's higher than last one. Higher than last one. Maybe 24.
Yeah, I don't know.
24,000. 24,000.
Yeah.
That one. Maybe 20,000.
Kaka one?
3 there. Higher 32. 32 is this. See that one?
Yeah, but it's all just
18.
dickered.
No. 18,
Yeah, it is. I've seen it.
That one 18 pounds. That one 20 ton. 25 ton. Oh my God. That one cut it there.
Look at it.
Yeah. No.
Here, eat it. And just chew that piece off for me. I can't get it. But yeah, first of all, you don't cut wood that way.
No. 就是that one. 7 OK 的。20 he 12 left. He 1 day for me. Oh my God. 1 day. 110. 12 he 就是75. 12 I 1 hour cut OK. Today no good. That one.
Oh, what happened?
I did that
What
one.
happened?
See that one?
Yeah.
Cut down.
Oh no.
Cut down. That one no good.
Broken?
No broken. Maybe no broken.
Just really hurts
Maybe
terrible?
Pen.
Yeah. Well, I mean, I guess I can weld that for you, but this is pretty much bullshit. Like, I don't know if you realize this or not, but I got a lot of shit to do. You know what I mean? And like welding tumuchi's rental fucking, wood splitter that he's using to cut wood sideways isn't it. Just here to let you know. Fuck it. What am I gonna do? Yeah. Too much no good. 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 What?
How much it sold?
No, I'm not gonna sell it. I never get my money back out of it. I got $1,007,100 into it. It cost me $1,700,000,000. Oh, I know. It's just extravagant. Terrible.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good.
But I keep having to do other stuff, and it's cutting into my Grumman building time. And now I got to weld this friggin' rental wood splitter, so tumuchi doesn't have to take it back to Sarnia. It's like, yeah, but why does you having to drive to Sarnia affect me? How does that work? How does it work to where? Yeah, just a little bit. It's good. We're good. It's good. We're good. We're good. You're good. We're good. It's good. We're good. Oh, too much. You're gonna owe me $400 for this. 400. You owe me 400. Yeah. I don't plug my machine in for less than $400, bud. So I'll give you two little ticky tackies. 220. 220.
240.
Yeah. Gouda one. It's my Gouda one. I don't know, dude. I don't know, dude. But I'm not cleaning it, so she's gonna be dickered. We're not doing the free 99 custom peony special, if you know what I'm saying. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Oh my God.
What? What happened?
You finish. That's 18 by order. I for you 14. Okay. I have for you 1 pound.
1 pound?
I wow, very good.
Oh, that weld's nice. Ah, you fucker. Yeah, and now I got a sparkler in my boot. Thanks.
Oh my God, you?
Thanks, Tumuchi.
I for you.
This right here, ouch.
I for you. 1 pound for you. $14.
Oh, $40 for a pound now. That's great. Thank you, Mr. Tumuchi. That's wonderful. I don't have the hair to melt. You know, when you got hair, the weld melts into your hair before it gets to your skull, and then it's mostly budded out by then. But now it's just red hot, burning right on the back of my head. So thanks, Tumuchi. I really appreciate that. Off. You know what I mean? If that's not good enough for free 99. You can eat my shit. Yeah. Free night. That says free 99 all day. Right there. Oh, that's a free $99 bill all day. Where'd he even go? He just, no, what is he doing? Rummaging through my other shit? Trying to fucking rip me off? Trying to sell me, hey, if you fix my welder, I'll sell you a pound for 40 bucks. Or fix my wood splitter that I rented. Like, just take it back and get another one. What's wrong with you? Fucking come over here and bother me. I was over here at like 7 o'clock in the morning. Oh, I'm trying to have a shit. You know what I mean? What the fuck is wrong with you? Good fucking lard, tumuchi. I keep bashing my fingernail. I gotta cut that off because it's gonna hook on something and rip, and then I'm gonna be really whining. Then I'll really have something to fucking whine about. You know what I mean? Because I'm always fucking whining. Fucking idiot. Like the fucking, oh my goodness, it's probably not even gonna line up. I'm almost starting to think too much. He needs to just pick himself up a, you know, Princess Auto welder for a couple $100, and then he would just have to just not bother me so much all the time. Holy shit! What the? You know what I mean? I don't know, dudes. A guy's bothering me about this truck. He wants to trade me a Hogley Stevenson. So I've been thinking about getting my 43rd patch. You know what I mean? Dude, holy shit! Look at this guy. Why are you doing that to me? Holy shit, this guy's a dick. He's being a dick. What's he being a dick for? You're living in my dump truck, bud. When, like, you know, I like actually need a dump truck. I don't know if you saw that horse shit the other day, but, you know, flatbed the machine to the job site, bring trailer home, get other trailer, drive it to job site, fill it, dump it, this and that, go home, get other trailer, go get machine. Very much not good. We need a dump truck. I gotta check the oil in my rig, boys, because, oh, we still got lots in her. So that's good. But she's basically a sprinkler on the undercarriage here, boys. Not sure how good of a shot I'll be able to get you right now, but yeah, like, it's just absolutely dicked, right? So I can't park the truck for, you know, 5 minutes and there's like 15 friggin' Tripolinis all over the place. So we're going to get Nelson today, boys. And we got all type of stuff to fix. The friggin' radiator and the light stand leaks. Got oil leak into this and that. There's just a list. I made a list, right? Because sometimes he comes and then we forget. Holy shit, it's downtown Inwood. Clearly not his truck. Hey? Clearly not his truck. Just thundering onward. So he tried to rip me off yesterday for $100, and then it dropped down to 50, but then I welded his cart and now it's 40. What do you got?
No, okay, for you, 40. I tell it.
What do you got?
$14.
Oh yeah, whishy, no good. Whishy, no good.
Inside,
oh,
You need that?
oh no. What is it?
Nada.
Oh, no hot. Oh, no hot.
Small hot.
Small hot? A little bit?
Small hot, yeah. You see?
Small hot? Oh, no. Oh, me okay.
That's hot.
Look at though, buddy. There's like bugs and stuff on it, and it's like little dirt and stuff, and you're just like shoveling it in your mouth.
No, you don't need?
No, I can't. The chickens might. Oh no, but it's hot. Maybe I don't think the chickens. Maybe tippy.
No, that's hot. Hot, let it go.
Oh, how's very good.
Yeah, hot. You eat some.
Oh, I can't. No, me okay. I just ate. I had an egg and some toast and shit. So.
Thank you very much. This one finish okay. My God, he that one he that one not put here gone.
Oh yeah. You probably dicked her, didn't you? Look at them go, boys.
4 hours left.
Oh yeah, that's why you came here at 7 o'clock in the morning. Hey, well I was trying to have a dump because you only got it for 4 more hours left. So that's handy. Oh, he got a trailer hitch put on. Hey, you got one. I didn't have to do it, so that's perfect. That's a perfect trailer hitch right there, boys. That's how you can tell. Oh yeah, there's that bird. He lives in my dump truck and he's mad. He's an angry bird. Okay, but anyways, got some fucking spicy bok choy or whatever the fuck that is. Are you extra safe, buddy? Oh, no chain?
No, I thought I maybe working 1 hour, 12 hours for left. He said $75. 12 half 1 hour ago. Oh my God, 120.
Oh no.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Okay, teach it.
Okay, hey, 有回来那个不用订大的。
$50?
No put the fish.
Oh, different than Wishy.
No put the fish cold.
Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. There we go. There we go. You do good work, Tumuchi. I was wondering why he pulled in like that, but so he didn't have to back up the son of a bitch, I guess. Let's see what happens when I give Tumuchi's lettuce to the chickens.